Hi guys, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Rahul, and today I'm going to introduce you one of the vehicles that we have available in the yard, and it's ready for sale. So this is a Holden 2016 Commodore. It's in a green color. As you can see, it's a 6-cylinder 3.6 petrol engine, has NCAP rating of the 5-star, fuel efficiency that has 9 liter per 100 kilometer. So today I'm gonna show you the condition for this vehicle, interior and exterior wise, and you will see what features this car has. So if you start from the front, as you can see the condition at the front, the headlight, they are in a very good shape here, both of them, and there's a nice fog light at the bottom, you can see. Let's see another one now here. It's nice and clean. Vehicle has a black finish at the front with the Holden logo, which suits this color very well. And now if I take you to the side of this one, has the alloy wheel. I'm pretty sure they are around 17-inch alloy wheels. Has a little bit mark over here on the wheels, but as you can understand, this is a 2016, so it's not very much over here. Let's see the side now. Has a black wing mirror. Door handle has the same color. Black edition branding on the rear door, and this is the rear wheel, left hand side one. Tire condition is good. Let's see the back now. Vehicle has the rear camera at the back side, and there are sensors located here, rear sensors. SV6 branding, Series 2 at the boot, and the backlights are in a good shape too. Let's go to the other side now. So this is the right hand rear wheel, and the tire condition. Same branding, you can see black edition on the rear door. Other side, yeah, this is the right hand side door, and front. And this is the front wheel, right inside. Right, I'll open the door now, and I'll show you the interior. It's a black interior. The seats are half leather, half fabric. These are the front seats. And now I'll take you to the second row. Second row seats. And you have a cup holder here. Now let's open the boots and check the boot space here. This is a sedan shaped car, has a huge space for the boot. Okay, now I'm gonna sit inside, start the engine, and I'll show you more features the car has. So this is the driver side door, has the control in it, window control and the wing mirror. They both located on the driver side window. On my right hand side you can see the headlight controller here, and here's the dashboard. Let's start the engine. So there's a push button start which is located on the left hand side of the steering. Alright, I'm gonna lower the volume. Okay, right. So dashboard, this is the steering. Steering has the control. So on my right hand side you can see the voice recognition system, adjust the volume, and on the left hand side there's a cruise control. That's the screen. I'm gonna show you the reverse camera as well. So this is the reverse. It comes with the reverse guide as well. Volume button here, and this is for the FM tuning. Nice space to keep your keys and mobile phone. It's here, and your aircon adjustment. 2-cup holder behind the gear, electronic parking brake, has the parking sensors, and you can see the central console space here. In the central console there is a USB charging port, and another one power socket. I think it's around 12 volts. And let's see the passenger side now. I'm gonna open the glove box. So has the glove box, got a service book in this. This vehicle has up-to-date service, and you can see the finish for the passenger side door. There's a, as I told you earlier, that's half leather interior in this car, and black finish color. So it's a very nice interior here. In your back side, second row. Right guys, so there was the Holden Commodore 2016. It's a very nice condition, and the vehicle was looked after pretty well. So if you like this vehicle, you can give us a call at 9907-0555, or you can visit. We are located in Berwick, so address is 32 Kangan Drive, Berwick. We are Berwick Mitsubishi here. We have a very nice team to look after the finance as well. So if you have any questions regarding the finance, we'll be able to answer it as well. Hope you like this video, and I hope I'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.